Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to show you how to build a bigger chest right at home with no equipment needed. That's right, no weights, no machines, just your body weight and some killer exercises. Let's get started. Before we jump into the exercises, let's talk about the plan. We're going to do 5 chest-focused movements that target your upper, middle, and lower chest. We'll do each exercise for 45 seconds, followed by a 15-second rest. Repeat the circuit 3 to 4 times depending on your fitness level. Ready? Let's go. First up, standard push-ups. This is a classic for a reason. It targets your entire chest. Keep your core tight, back straight, and lower yourself until your chest nearly touches the floor. Push back up explosively. Let's do this for 45 seconds. Next, we're moving to wide grip push-ups. Place your hands wider than shoulder width apart. This variation puts more emphasis on your outer chest. Same rules apply. Keep your body straight and go as low as you can. Ready? Go. Now, let's hit the lower chest with decline push-ups. Find a sturdy surface like a chair or couch to elevate your feet. This angle shifts the focused lower chest. Keep your elbows tucked in and push hard. Time for diamond push-ups. Bring your hands close together, forming a diamond shape with your thumbs and index fingers. This move targets your inner chest and triceps. It's tough, but you've got this. Last but not least, we're doing archer push-ups. These are advanced, so feel free to modify if needed. Shift your weight to one side as you lower yourself, keeping the other arm straight. This move really isolates one side of your chest at a time. Let's crush it. Great job, everyone. That's one round. Take a 1-minute break, then repeat the circuit 2 to 3 more times depending on your fitness level. Remember, consistency is key to building a bigger chest. Make sure to eat enough protein and fuel your body for growth. If you enjoyed this workout, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home workout guides. Let me know in the comments how many rounds you completed. I love hearing from you. And don't forget to share this with a friend who's looking to build their chest at home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.